first ordeal. Depth charging. Left the scene confident he had sunk. Several nights later, we heard Tokyo Rose on our radio.
I regret to inform all American submarines that one of their number has recently fallen victim to a destroyer of the Imperial Japanese Navy. You will hear an appropriate recording.
Down periscope. Up periscope. Down periscope. Look, man, this is a jackpot. We've got the biggest aircraft carrier I've ever seen up here, plus 2 destroyers. We're going to shoot our whole wad at the carrier. Up periscope. Bearing, mark 329. Range, mark 6100. Down periscope. Angle on the bow, starboard 15. Right full rudder. Right full rudder. All ahead 2/3. All ahead 2/3. New course 240. New course 240. What's the distance to the track? 1700. Control 63 feet. Control 63 feet. Forward torpedo room, make ready all two. Forward torpedo room, make ready all two. Set depth 12 feet. Set depth 12 feet. Rig for silent running. Rig for silent running. Rig for depth charge. Rig for depth charge. Steady on 250. All ahead 1/3. All ahead 1/3. How much time I got? None, sir. Torpedo run 1100. Brakes about 1600. Gyro 005 at 3. Shoot anytime. Stand by forward. Stand by forward. Periscope. Check bearing and shoot. Bearing. Mark. 845. Down periscope. Set. Fire. Right one. One fire, sir. Fire. Fire two. 2 fires. Fire. Fire 3. 3 fires. Set. Fire. Fire 4. The trigger, of course, was subjected to another terrific depth charge. There were moments when no one on board thought she'd come through, but she stood up and eventually got away. The carrier just managed to crawl back to Tokyo Bay, badly crippled. The trigger was lost in March 45 off the Ryukyu. At that time, she was one of the highest-ranking subs in tonnage and total number of ships sunk. The trigger will never be forgotten, nor will the work of all our other submarines. On 19 November 1943, we sighted a South convoy and made an attack. screen detected us and immediately subjected us to depth charges. Things were getting tough and we heard a rain fall. We headed forward and shook the Jap. At least we thought we did. But the moment we regained periscope depth, we found that Jap destroyer sitting right in our lap. We tried to duck him, but he had heard us as well as seen us.